Hello everyone, my name is Roman. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install MC2Go on Windows 10 operating system. Before installing the main concept2go container, we need to install Docker. It's available from the official website. If you are running on the Windows system as I do, you have to check if Hyper-V and Containers Windows features are enabled, as well as virtualization must be enabled in the BIOS. We can check those settings in the Windows Features Control Panel and Task Manager. I've already downloaded and installed Docker. Let's open it and make sure that the Docker is running properly. Look at the whale icon in the status bar. If it stays steady, Docker is up and running and is accessible from any terminal window. Now we are ready to install MC2Go. Main concept2go products are delivered as download packages. I've already downloaded the package from the main concept website, as instructed in the email customers receive after purchasing the module. In this video, I will be using the MC2Go ExeCom Transcoder module as an example, but it also applies to other modules. The main concept2go ExeCom Transcoder container provides conversion from different input formats into the ExeCom format. Let's extract the package and look at what's inside. The package contains the actual main concept2go container binary, as well as links to the online documentation, installation instructions, license agreement, usage scripts, and built-in presets. To install the main concept2go image in your local Docker environment, change directory into the Docker folder and run the install image sh or bat script, depending on what operating system you are using. In this case, it is install image bat. And now that the installation is done, let's verify whether the to-go container is installed by using the docker images command. You should see output similar to this. After a successful installation, we are able to run the to-go container. To do this, let's go to the scripts folder. Here we have a usage.txt file that describes all available parameters for both properties.txt and .json configuration files. These are used to run the container and pass the job respectively. There are also several script files that you can use to run and stop the new to-go container. The easiest way to start MC2Go is by executing the run script with the properties.txt file, where the accept EULA parameter must be set. But first, the end-user license agreement in the EULA.txt file must be read and accepted. Once the agreement has been read and accepted, let's change the file and run the container. Change directory to the script folder by using the cd command and then type runcmd properties.txt at the command prompt. Now we can see that the container is created with a specific ID. To make sure the container is running, type the command docker ps or check it in the Docker desktop application. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@mainconcept.com.